Hello my loves, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my videos here on YouTube, thank you for clicking on this video and I do appreciate you watching. And may I please ask that you subscribe before you go and turn on your notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So I am very excited today because this is a collaboration video with Miss Obianuju Kris. Yes, I am so excited to do this collab with her. She is a wife, a young mom. She is a YouTuber. She does hair videos, reviews, skincare videos, beauty videos, unboxing, vlogs. She does a series of things on her channel. I'm going to leave her link in the description box for you guys so you can please go check her out. Many of you already know who she is and just please go to her channel. She will definitely appreciate a comment and she will definitely appreciate you subscribing to her channel as well. So I sent her a DM and I said, would you mind collaborating with me on this beauty box? And she was like, yes. And I was so excited when she said yes. I was really happy. If you're watching, sweetheart, I was jumping up and down. I was like, yes. I was so happy you said yes to this collaboration. This is a new beauty box. Let me show you guys the box and then we're going to get into it. This is the beauty box right here. And in this beauty box, you do get a card and you have a magazine. Let's talk about the box right now. This is called the Beauty Edit. And this is by Billy by OK Magazine. Now, Billy Fairs, I think is her last name. She is a reality star, you know, here in the UK, and she does all kinds of things. And she put together a list of her beauty products. Well, she put together some of her favorite beauty products, I should say. It comes along with a card and it says, hello, thank you for purchasing the OK Beauty Edit teaser box. We hope you managed to find some me time to pamper yourself with these wonderful beauty products and are able to unwind and enjoy our very special fashion and beauty edition of OK VIP magazine. There are other things in here which I'm not going to read, but it comes along with a little card and it came along with the OK magazine. Here it is, and this is Billy Fairs on the cover. And again, she's a reality star celebrity person here in the UK. And this is the box right here. It says the Beauty Edit by Billy, okay, by OK Magazine. And I thought, what a great way to do a collaboration with this brand new box than to do it with Miss Obianuju Kris. I couldn't have asked another person to do this with me. So let's open it. I haven't opened the box yet. And of course, this is the packaging right here. And you do have a little card. And you do have, if I'm not mistaken, 5 products in here. And to the back of the card, it tells you what the products are. I'm absolutely sure. I don't have my glasses on, so let's just take a quick look. Yes, and there we go. And this is her on the cover. Okay. And this is the packaging. Hope you guys can see that. Okay. And you open it up and you do have a few things in here. So let's do the unboxing right now. The first thing I'm pulling out is this simple kind to skin. This is Rich Moisture Sheet Mask. Masking is one of my favorite things to do as part of my skincare routine. And I've never actually used any mask from the simple kind to skin line before. But this I know is a really good skincare line because there's no dyes, no parabens, no alcohol, nothing to harm your skin. Because I always say, when all fails, I always go back to simple kind of skin. So I am very excited to use this face mask by Simple. It says Rich Moisture Sheet Mask. And there is one sheet mask and 16 days of moisturizer. Kind to skin. Lovely. Cannot wait to use that. The next thing I'm pulling out is called the Harley Secret Skincare. I've never heard of this brand before. It says Restorative Hydro Moisturizer. And this is the beautiful packaging right here. Let me just open. Oh, it has a nice pump. There we go. Let me just pump a little bit out. Come on. Ah. It has a very soft smell. Nothing too overpowering, and it just dissolves right into your skin. Very nice. I've never heard of this brand before. Harley Street Skincare. Let me just see what it says on here. Does it tell me don't think it does. Let me just see on the card. No, it doesn't tell me exactly what, like the price point and all of that. It doesn't say what it is, but that's okay. We're just gonna move on. Okay, so first thing we had was a Simple Kind to Skin mask, and then this is a Harley Street skincare, and this is a moisturizer. The next thing I'm pulling out from this box is Black Magic Mascara. Oh my god, look at that. Black Magic Mascara. Ooh, and it has a nice little curve to the wand right there, as you can see. Okay, really nice. These are brands I've never even heard of. Black Magic Mascara, very nice packaging. And I also love the packaging too for this moisturizer by Harley Street Skincare. Very nice. And we only have 1, 2, 3. So we've got 4 products in here actually, not 5. We've got, oh, we do have 5. And this is by, is it Wow? And what is this one? Oh, and this is a finishing spray for your hair. Oh, that smells really nice. I've got stuff on my nose. Oh my goodness, this smells wonderful. I'm just spraying a little bit of this on my hair right now. Very nice. This is a finishing spray for your hair. Look at that, very nice. It smells wonderful. Ah! And I feel like it gave my hair a little bit of weight. Oh, that's really interesting. Last but not least, I do have the, this is a lip gloss. Ooh, look at that. Look at the lip gloss, guys. Very nice. What's the brand of this one? It says Be a Roller Baby. INC.redible is the is a company. Let me see if I can just remove this quickly for you guys. Ah, so many companies now are coming out with lip glosses. Ah, and this lip gloss has a roller ball to the top. Do you see that? Could you see? Wow, rather than having like a doe foot to put your lips, to put the gloss on, it has a roller on top. How ingenious is that? I've never actually seen a lip gloss with a roller thing before. Wow, that's interesting. So you do have 5 products in the box. You do have the lip gloss. It comes with the hairspray. You do have the mascara. You do have the Harley Street Skincare Moisturizer, and you do have the face mask. These are really, really good products for this beauty box. I am so excited about this because normally sometimes if I order, let's say, Look Fantastic or Birchbox, sometimes you get repeat products in these boxes. But these are things that I've heard of Wow before. I heard of this one, and of course Simple Kind of Skin, but the other 3 I've never actually heard of, and I'm really excited to try them. The products are really good, and I can't wait to use this lip gloss, and it's very interesting. Wow. INC.redible, and too bad the sheets doesn't give me the price points for everything. But if I read through these and I see any price points, of course, it's going to be listed in the description box for you guys. And I'm going to list everything that came into the box in the description for you guys, just in case you want to take a chance and get this box. I think it is a really good box. These are some of her favorite beauty products, and I'm so happy because, of course, she's got beautiful skin. So I'm going to leave all the details in the description box for you guys. Lovely box, and of course, you know, if you're ordering this box, it is so nice and sturdy, and it's very sturdy. So you can actually keep this for storage, which is really good. And of course, we're all locked down. You can just lay on your couch, lay in bed, unwind, and read your magazine, probably with a glass of wine or something, or maybe some coconut bits, whatever you want to do. And that's it for this beauty box. I really like it, and I'm really interested in using the products. As a matter of fact, I've never seen the mascara in a tube like this before, because normally mascaras comes in things, just a regular packaging, like things like these. It doesn't come in like a tube, but this is quite interesting though, for a Black Magic mascara. Looks like it's going to give you some good length too. Anywho, on that note, this is the end of the video today. I hope you guys enjoy this beautiful collaboration unboxing with Miss Obianuju Kris. All the details are going to be left in the description box for you guys, and I do hope you enjoyed this video today. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Doodles!